In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Find My iPhone. This feature is incredibly valuable for anyone who's misplaced their device or suspects it might be lost for good. Whether it's hiding under a couch cushion or left behind at a coffee shop, knowing how to use this tool can provide peace of mind. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need access to another device. It could be another iPhone, iPad, a friend's device, or even a computer. On this device, you'll want to open the Find My app. Alternatively, you can head over to icloud.com/find, which is perfect for desktop access or non-Apple devices. Once there, the next step is signing in with your Apple ID. This is crucial as it ensures you have the correct permissions to locate your device. Enter your details carefully, and once you're in, you're getting closer to retrieving your iPhone. Now you'll be presented with a list of devices associated with your Apple ID. Go ahead and select your missing iPhone from this list. After selecting it, a map should display, highlighting the location of your iPhone, provided it's connected online. This visual aid is immensely helpful in figuring out whether your phone is in close proximity or somewhere unexpected. Once you pinpoint the location, you have several options to choose from depending on your situation. If you think the device is nearby, the play sound feature is fantastic, as it triggers your iPhone to emit a distinctive alert. This sound will help you locate it in case it's slipping between couch cushions or tucked somewhere out of sight at home or in the office. If you suspect your iPhone is at a remote location, or worse, in the hands of someone unauthorized, you might want to use Lost Mode. By activating this mode, your device locks immediately and displays a customizable message. This message can include a contact number, allowing anyone who finds the iPhone to reach out to you easily. It's a great way to ensure your privacy while still making it possible for a good Samaritan to return your device. In a more concerning scenario, if you genuinely believe your iPhone has been stolen and is unlikely to be recovered, consider using the Erase iPhone option. This step will delete all data on your device, keeping your personal information safe from malicious hands. Remember, only use this as a last resort, since once the data is erased, tracking will no longer be possible. I hope this walkthrough has given you a clear understanding of how to make the most out of the Find My iPhone feature. It's an essential tool for any iPhone user that could save you a ton of stress and effort if you ever find yourself in a bind. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher.